Advance Happy Diwali! Busby's Fun Play School present Diwali activity. So children, we are going to make the diya and candle with few colorful paper. So are you ready? Material needed to make the diyas are few strips of colorful papers, white glue, scale, scissor, stapler, woolen threads, piece of yellow paper and piece of orange paper. Now take two color paper strips 29 cm long and 3 cm width. Total 4 strips we needed. Keep one upon the another. First red, then blue, then red, then blue, and fold it into the half. Hold all together and fold it into the half to get the center point. And staple it. Now on the stapler pin apply the Fevicol. Join the end of the paper. Hold it for 2 seconds. Then in back side again apply the Fevicol. Hold it for 2 seconds. Hold it for 2 seconds. Then apply the Fevicol. Fold the another side. Hold it. Apply the Fevicol. Hold it for 2 seconds. Now let us cut the strips from both the sides. At least 5 cm. Now look at this. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines I have cut. Now with the help of pencil you have to roll the paper. Only upper paper. See, like this, kids, you have to press and leave it. Then second strip, and leave it. Third strip, and now fourth strip. Now let us turn to another side. Look here. What is the gap between this both? Same way we have to maintain the distance. Roll the paper. First strip, second, third, and fourth. Now let us make the diya. So for that I have taken a yellow paper. Fold the paper and let us draw the flame of diya and another paper also. Let us cut the paper. Now I am taking the orange paper. Now with the help of Fevicol, we will stick this. Look here. Apply the Fevicol. You have to fold it. Look and stick here the center. Hold it for 2 seconds. Now I have taken a thread 15 cm long. So let us tie on both the side. Look here, I have tied to both the side. This knot you can keep it under. Now look here, our diya is ready. Happy Diwali! Now let us start doing this candle. So for this material needed are 2 strips, that is 21 cm long and 4 cm width. So total 2 strips we have taken, piece of yellow color and piece of orange color. So let us start. Now let us apply the Fevicol and keep this upon this paper. See that it should be in L shape. Now fold this, then fold another, so in this way you have to fold the paper, and here let us apply the Fevicol. Cut this extra piece of paper. Now our candle is ready. Let us make the flame. So let us first of all draw the flame. Now orange paper folded into half. Let us cut with the scissor. Now it's time to stick. Look here, one upon the another, small paper inside, and now let us fold this much length. Look here, this much folding I have done. Apply the Fevicol. And stick this in the center. Hold for 2 minutes. Now our candle is ready. So is it interesting, kids? And easy for you. So try this at home for Diwali.